up guys, I'm Ethan, here to help with your China Fidget toy sourcing and CNC machine needs. With 10 years in the industry, I served more than 10K clients from the UK, US, Canada, and more. Based in ChengDu and how we collaborate. Let's go. First, OEM. Send your design drawings, including parents and structures. Get your code and your timeline. The second, brand distribution. Share product piece and order quantity for cute. Customer orders, totally welcome to. New clients get an inclusive 500% discount. Don't miss it. Shoot me a DM now. Let's work together.